Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a product category in Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Products. Click on the specific product you want to edit. Adding the correct category to your products is an important step because it helps Shopify understand what you are selling. This can improve product organization, make store management easier, and help customers find products more easily. Scroll down past the title and media sections until you find the category box. Click inside the category field. Shopify usually automatically suggests a standard category. If not, you can either find it manually through the sections or type a keyword to search Shopify's standard taxonomy. Shopify's standard taxonomy includes organized categories and subcategories that help classify products correctly. Choosing the closest match is better than selecting a broad or unrelated category. Select the most accurate category from the drop-down menu. For example, if you are selling men's running shoes, selecting a specific footwear category is better than choosing a general clothing category. A more accurate category helps Shopify provide better product recommendations and store organization. Selecting a standard category is highly recommended because Shopify automatically suggests specific category meta fields below it, which helps with your store's filters. These category-specific fields can include details related to your product type, such as size, material, color, or other important attributes. Filling these details can improve the shopping experience and make it easier for customers to filter products. Once you have selected your category, click Save. After saving, it is always a good idea to review your product page and make sure the category information has been applied correctly. And that is it. You've successfully learned how to add product category in Shopify. Now your products are better organized, and Shopify can use this information to improve how your products are displayed and managed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides.